think I found the simplest way to make money on the internet. Higgsfield just launched an AI influencer studio that lets you create an influencer for free and get paid for posting the videos. And if you stick with me for the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how this works. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create your own AI influencer with a consistent face, generate realistic videos, and earn money by posting them on Instagram. Before we jump in, let me give you some quick context so you know this isn't just another AI hype video. AI influencers are blowing up right now, and brands are literally paying creators who handle virtual characters on social media. They're testing digital personalities for marketing campaigns, product promos, and even long-term partnerships. But here's the thing. Most people have no idea how to actually make an AI influencer. They assume you need a studio, complicated software, or some insane technical skill set. And that's exactly why Higgsfield is such a game changer. On Higgsfield, it's literally describe your character, generate, bring them to life in video. That's it. So if you've ever seen AI Creator and thought, yeah, that looks cool, but I could never do that, trust me, you absolutely can. And in this video, I'm going to show you the entire process step by step. I post this kind of content regularly, so if you don't want to miss the upcoming videos, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Alright, now let's build your AI influencer. Open the Higgsfield website and tap on the AI influencer option from the main menu. The fastest way to create an AI influencer is by simply typing a prompt. You describe your character in plain English, and Higgsfield will generate a complete persona based on your description. But if you want total control, open the character builder. Here you can customize every detail of your influencer. First we have here is character type section. Instead of being limited to just humans, Higgsfield lets you choose from multiple character types. For this demo, I'm choosing human. Next, choose the gender that fits your character's vibe. I'm creating a female Indian influencer, but choose what fits your concept. Now move to origin. I am selecting Indian origin, but you can pick any base, or blend multiple origins for a unique cross-cultural look. Next, choose your character's skin tones. You can click multiple tones if you want Higgsfield to blend them beautifully. You can also use the custom color picker for precise control. For eye color, I'm choosing black, but you can select any color you want, and just like skin tone, you can pick multiple eye colors. Then we have the skin conditions section. Add them only if they fit your influencer's personality or story, or just leave it blank. Next, I'm choosing the adult age group for my Indian lifestyle or fashion influencer. But you can pick mature or senior if you're creating a character with a different niche or narrative. We also have advanced settings where you can fine-tune face structure, body type, and style and aesthetics. For the face section, I'll set eye type to human, and for face skin material, I'm also selecting human. In the body section, I'm choosing a slim body type and leaving the rest of the options as they are. Then in the style section, I'll choose long hair, and for rendering style, I'm selecting hyper-realistic. Once everything is set, tap the Generate button. It's absolutely free on Higgsfield to generate your AI influencer, so feel free to experiment with different combinations and create a look that truly fits the personality you want. Give it a few minutes and your Indian AI influencer appears on the screen. Drop a comment below and tell me what kind of AI influencer you're creating. Fashion, tech, fitness, anything. I'd love to check them out. Now we have some options here. First, you can download the image. Second, if you don't like the character, you can regenerate a new one. And third, you can tap Edit if you want to adjust or customize anything. This will open Google Nano Banana Pro, where you can fine-tune the character or create completely new images. Once you create your character, you'll see them appear on the left side in your AI Influencer Studio. This is basically your library. Every character you've made shows up here. So if you ever want to switch between them or create content for multiple AI models, you can do it instantly without starting from scratch. You'll notice a big Create New box at the top. That's where you tap if you want to build another character from zero. Some people only make one influencer, but honestly, having 2 or 3 gives you more freedom. It's like running a mini influencer agency, but without dealing with real people. But the most exciting part is this. You can actually create a video using this character, and this feature is also completely free. So let's tap on it. Once you enter the video section, you'll see the motion library. Here, you can select any clip and your AI influencer will copy the exact same movements. Right under that, you'll see two big boxes. One lets you add the motion you want to copy, the other lets you add your character. Below that, you'll see the quality option. You can choose 720p or 1080p. Then there's scene control mode. This is super helpful because it lets you choose where the background comes from. You can either use the background from your video or the background from your character image. When everything looks the way you want, just hit the big yellow generate button. You get 8 free video generations, so feel free to experiment. Wait a few minutes, and your first AI influencer video is ready. Your AI influencer comes to life in a full motion video, doing the exact gestures from the clip you picked. Your video is ready to post on any social media platform. If you're starting from zero, I recommend posting on Instagram first, because Higgsfield has a built-in earn program made specifically for Instagram creators. Let me show you exactly how to join it. Open this link in your browser. Here, you'll see platform options. If you're an Instagram creator, select Instagram Influencer. If you're posting on YouTube, choose YouTube Influencer. For this demo, I'm selecting Instagram Influencer. Now enter your Instagram username, then type in your email address. Make sure it's the same email connected to your Instagram profile. You'll receive a verification code in your email. Enter that code to complete the login. Once you're logged in, Higgsfield will give you a unique code. Copy this code and paste it into your Instagram bio. After that, tap Verify Account inside the Earn dashboard. As soon as Higgsfield detects the code in your bio, your account gets instantly approved. Your account is now verified and you're officially part of the Higgsfield Earn program. If your account has at least 1,000 followers and 3 public posts, you can earn $30 instantly. All you have to do is add this line to your Instagram bio, then click on the Claim Offer button here. If you're serious about growing your Instagram fast, I also recommend watching my previous video where I explain exactly how I grew my account and how I monetize it. To earn more, you'll need to participate in the Active campaign. Each campaign has requirements. Just follow them, publish your post, and submit the link. You can submit multiple posts per campaign, and the more high-quality videos you publish, the more you can earn. After the 7th day, you can withdraw your earnings instantly using the supported payment methods. And that's it! Now you know exactly how to create your own AI influencer, generate videos, and even start earning with Higgsfield. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. Alright, thanks for watching. Now go create something viral.